Go ahead.
Yeah, I myself didn't really like them and preferred like more in-depth stuff because I could turn in more, because
Yeah,
I could turn in better notes.
yeah, I got you. Yeah, I'm trying. I'm trying a lot of different things, so we'll see which one works for most people. Today, I'm going to go over some of the stuff we had, and then you guys are going to do some Khan Academy. Um, just as you recall, let me let me just give you guys. You don't have to copy this down right now, but um, you recall. Let's see. All right, let's see if you guys can remember some of this stuff, and it's okay if you don't, but um, see if I remember some of this stuff. Okay, ready? All right, which one of these is in vertex form, F, G, or H? Which one is in vertex form, F, G, or H? Anybody? Hmm.
Uh, FX?
FX. I can't tell the vertex of F by looking at it.
Is it G?
G. G. I can't tell the vertex by looking at it. I can tell the x-intercepts, which are going to be 1 and -4. Look at my blue one. 1 and -4. So it's got to be H, right? H, the green one, is the vertex is 3, -4. If you look at my graph, it is 3, -4. See that? So the green one is in vertex form. I could see it's going to be 3, comma -4. Let's see. Which one is in factored form? Which one gives me the x-intercepts?
G.
G, definitely, which is going to be +1 and -4 will slide into the x's. All right, so the G is the vertex form. I'm sorry, factored form. And then lastly, which one is in standard form? Which is the one that doesn't really help me too much?
F.
F, exactly. F is in factored form. F is the one that has no parentheses and everything's all all the way through. The only thing I can see on F is my my what do you call it? My y-intercept, which would be -4. If you look at my graph, -4 is the y. All right, and like I said, it was a while, so we'll come back to this. Okay, so we're going to. I want to ask you guys for a favor. Can you guys first watch me, and then do what I do. I want you to go into your Khan Academy and then change your name so that your last name is first. And to do that, and go ahead and log into Khan Academy as you're listening to me. To do that,
Yeah, it's something I can do like Google stuff as I'm hearing
exactly.
the audio.
So click on your name and click on settings and then put your last name first. This will help me when I type in the grades because the grades are by last name. And when I do them, it takes me a long time to do each one. And if I can have you guys do yours, and then I can do some of other people's later, it'll help me. So click on your name, and then settings, and then put your last name first, and then your first name second. Here's where you could actually choose some other options if you like sound effects and all that kind of stuff. So go ahead and do that while I set up the assignment. Today, Colin, we are going to we're just going to do Khan Academy. It should be some review. Okay, so I don't think you'll need to take too many notes. You could do some on paper. You could do them on the computer. I'm good with that. Okay, so let me start assigning these practice sets, and this will be a review. Today's going to be just get you guys back into okay, there we go. Let me know when you guys are done. You can say I'm done. You can text it. I can chat. I just need to know when you're.
Yeah, right now I'm just
Okay.
doing some.
Okay. All right. I'm going to give you guys only three assignments today on con, and it should be good review.
So the notes we take today are just going to be like copying after con stuff.
No, just try.
No notes.
Yeah, no notes required. You could do some of the con on the notes, but you won't have to post them today. So I'm trying different things today. Okay.
So is today like not an assignment day at all?
It will be an assignment. It'll be con assignments, and you don't have to post your handwritten. I'll just get your scores. So let me do. I'm gonna do one of them with you guys. So if you guys can look at my screen now, I'm gonna do some of these. Now, when you guys change your last name, I think I get it changed to. Did you change yours, Travis?
Yeah, I changed it to Desmond Travis. Like, what can you do?
Yeah. Okay. All right.
I changed mine, but according to your computer, it didn't go through.
It didn't go through, huh? Okay. Well, if it doesn't work,
Okay,
I'll figure it out. It's okay. So if I go to students, look at my roster. Des. Interesting.
What the hell am I not under there?
Yeah,
next.
It's probably still under first name. See that? Travis.
Oh wait.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll do it because when I do it, I have to go here and I gotta take this off, and then see, I could totally do this. I just put like some music on, and then I have to press. See, and then I just gotta do, and then it takes like 2 seconds, and now it's gonna be. Anyway, I'll go ahead and do it. No worries about it. All right, so here is our assignment, and go ahead and watch me, and you're gonna remember this is super simple. All right, so let's take a look at the first one. All right, we're just gonna basically turn.
My assignments aren't showing
up. All right, let me take a look. Oh, got you. I think I put them in the wrong class. Let me fix that. Thank you. Let me fix this real quick. All right, guys. So we're gonna multiply 4x times 3x plus 1. So basically, you're going to multiply 4x times 3x. That's going to be 12x squared, and x squared, and then plus, and then 4x times 1 is 4x. So you're multiplying 4x times 3x plus 1. You're basically turning factored into standard.
Okay. Where is that?
I'm going to put it right now. Yeah. I think I put it in the wrong class. Let me do that. All right. What would this answer be? Can you guys tell me this answer while I figure this out?
I think.
What would be the first term?
6x squared.
6x squared. That's correct. 6x squared. And then what else?
Plus 9x.
9x. Okay. And
minus 5.
Minus 5.
Well, actually, minus 15.
Minus 15. Good. Multiply both through. Okay. All right. Let me make sure this is in the right thing for you guys. Okay. Practice. Second and third. Assign. Okay. So check your Khan Academy. It should be there now. Maybe I do a refresh. And I'm going to put 3 of them.
still don't think I'm seeing any assignments.
Well, let's see. One more. Let me try one more thing. Why is it not assigning second and third period? Okay. All right. Let me see. Let me go to my Khan Academy. All right. So they are showing up the second and third. Students scores. All right. Yeah, look, they're even like double now. Nobody's seen any of these? Yeah, nobody is, because otherwise I would be able to tell some of you guys would have started this already.
It says I don't have any assignments.
Okay.
Is the con website facing some technical issues right now? Like, if the
Well,
site
let me
troubled at all?
perhaps let's you know me, I'm always finding ways to do stuff. Let me put this link to this assignment. Let's see if this works. Give me a second. Everybody go to the pace, and I'm going to put the link to it on.
Wait, so where do I go? The page?
Yeah, go to the pace. I'm putting the link right now. As soon as you see, all right, click on the assignments, and all right. Do you guys see the assignment now? The link. So basically the one I want you to, yeah, let me see.
Multiplying and factoring, multiplying
Exactly.
nominal,
Okay.
like polynomials.
Yep. So here's what I want you guys to do. Okay. I want you to do the one that says multiply monomials by polynomials. Go ahead and do that one, and then take a picture when you have your score. And then
I don't know if it's possible for me to take pictures on my phone.
Oh, you can actually do a screenshot.
On my phone.
You can do a screenshot when you're done of this. What it look, and it'll have all your scores. Okay.
Yeah, if I can take screenshots on my
on your computer. Yeah.
J7.
Yeah, you can take a screenshot on your
computer.
On your computer, exactly. That'll be even better, actually. All right, so go ahead and do this first, second, and third. So, and I'll everybody go ahead and try it out, and it should work. And I'll figure out why it's not why you guys aren't seeing the assignments. All right, as you guys are doing that, I'm going to go ahead and do the second one.
Well, I think we all like different.
Yeah,
assignments.
Yeah, they're all going to be different, but they're going to be similar. Okay, so this one, if you guys remember, we did a box like this. Okay, and then when you have two of them, you have to like that. That's an 8. X squared plus 6x, and plus 8. Go ahead. You guys keep on working on that. I'm going to try to figure out why the assignments aren't working. April 15th. And if you get stuck with one, let me know. You can project your screen or just tell me and we can figure this out. All right, so that's the second one. And then the third one, you're going to do multiply binomials. Let's see if this works. How's everybody doing so far on that? Also, too, as you get better at this, you can start doing them in your head. It's actually not that complicated, but when you add the two in the middle, those are the ones you might want to just write down. Let's see. All right. The last one is basically you have to just draw the box. They don't give you the box drawn out. You got to draw it yourself. 6f, -7, 8f, -9.
Do you have to write it in a certain order?
No, that's a good question. And the reason why you don't have to is when you multiply. It doesn't matter which order you put them in. For example, this could be on the top or it could be on the bottom. So they can actually swap, right? Because when you multiply, it's still going to be 48f squared. Oh, I think I understand your question. When you type it in, you want to type in the first one to be the one with the x square, and the second one should be the x, and then the last one should be the number. I think was that your question, Claudia?
Yeah.
Yeah. I got you. Yeah. I thought you meant up here. Yeah, you want to go from the highest exponent to the one with no exponent. Right? Make sense? All right, 54f and then 63. There we go. So these two are the ones that you usually have to add up together. Okay, so it's going to be -110f. So 48. And basically, like I said a couple weeks ago, what we're doing is you're taking factored form and turning it into standard form. Even though I like factored form. Let's see if it works. So when you're done, it'll show your progress. It'll have little little bars, and I'll take that screenshot as your homework until I figure out why the assignments aren't showing up. Maybe Khan Academy is doing something.
They showed up.
Oh, they showed up? Right on. Did it show up under I think when I combined both of your classes, I think that's probably why kind of might have messed up something. But I see it now. I see Amar already got 2 of them done. Good job. Okay. And I'll delete the duplicates because it looks like there's doubles. All right. So like I said, today is kind of a simple day, just multiplying things, putting them together. We'll ease into this. The number one priority is that you guys are healthy and stay safe. And nobody is going to not pass this class as long as you show up and do some of the work. Even if you turn it in late, I'm okay. Just let me know. At the end of today, I'm going to be going through all the assignments to see if anybody turned in stuff over the break, and I'll put in full points.
Did the grading criteria change?
Yeah, so we're going to basically the grading criteria will be no Fs. Like if somebody, as long as you do work, right? We're not going to we're going to give you tests that are like open, right? So open notes, open internet, open helping each other. So for this term, it's only 1/4 basically, right? You guys will end up with A's and B's, honestly, if you just keep on doing what you've been doing, which is good. You're learning. That's the most important part. It's not I got you. I'm taking an online class at Sierra College, and we took a midterm online, and I looked up a lot of stuff. I Googled stuff, and I still got a 70%. So it was pretty tough, but I'm glad I was able to look up things. And all I care is that I pass the class. So that's, if I could take a pass, no pass, that would be good. That was another option that we were thinking of offering, is pass and no pass. Let's see. All right.
Mr. Quinones,
Yeah.
I have a quick question.
Yeah, Rona, go for it.
So I'm doing the multiply binomials area model.
Right.
So I have like x to the second plus 6x for the first line,
Yeah.
and then I have 2x plus 12. So would I just write that whole thing in, or?
I would do like this if you want to look at my screen. What's the first term that you're multiplying?
So the first. Oh, okay. So the first, it's gonna be x and x.
Oh, I'm seeing. What are you multiplying? X squared or x?
I know. So in the first box, it's x and x.
Oh, like this?
Yeah.
Okay. And what's over here? And over here?
Okay. So over there is 2 and 6.
Okay. So then I would do x squared inside here, because x times x is x squared. And this would be 3x. My 3 got a little messy. And this would be 6x. And this would be 18. And notice how I combine these two right here. So then my new answer would be x squared plus 9x, because I would combine the 3x and the 6, and then plus 18.
Oh, okay, cool. Thank you.
So typically you're going to combine two things. The x squared can't combine it with anything, and the 18 can't combine with anything, right? All right. Don't hesitate to ask questions, guys. We do and the last one is the quiz, and it takes 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes. And after a while, you can do this in your head. X squared. X squared can't combine with anything. And then 3x and 8x, that's going to be 11x. And then the last one's going to be plus 24. But when you're learning, I recommend for you to, for this quiz, you could actually use their area model. You don't have to make your own area model. Look at this. This is cool. There we go. And add those together. All right, let's see how you guys are doing. And remember, you want to know why we're doing this, right? We're getting factored form into standard form. And the reason we want to get good at this, because when we have to do it in reverse, that's what's hard. Okay, I can see Hayden got 2 or 3 done already. Good job. Assignments, manage. Here we go. All right. Multiply. All right, guys, I'm here to help out if you need. Let me know. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I did lie. There's actually 4 assignments. So there's 3 and then the quiz. Okay, but they're pretty simple. I think you should be able to get them all done while you're with me. Okay, I'll do the quiz again. All right, this is the same one. X squared. I wonder if it'll take XX. I'm curious about that. No, it likes X squared. There we go. All right, I'm going to do this in my head. That's going to be X squared. -4 and -3 is going to be -7. And then -4 times -3 is +12. All right, do this in my head. It's going to be -3fx squared, -3f squared. Oh, this one I might have to do the long way. It's kind of funky. Whoa, what happened here? What is this? Okay, so I said this. -f, 10, 3f, -1. We use a different color. So it's -3f squared, 30f, +f, and then -10. I'm going to combine these two right there. So that's going to be 31. 31f. Okay. That would have been a little hard to do in my head. And if it's positive, yeah. If it's positive, you want to put plus. Go for it.
Oh, sorry, you can go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead and ask your question.
Okay, so yeah, sorry. I was going to say, can you just explain to me the multiply binomials intro?
Yeah. Let me take a peek at that one. Multiply binomials intro. Polynomials. There we go. Okay. So this one, you want to make a box, right? Call the area model, but let's call it a box, whatever. And then on the top, I'm going to put x and then -3. And on the other side, I'm going to put the other one, x -4. Then I'm going to multiply x times x. It's going to be x squared. So multiply these two, right? Then I multiply these two. That'd be -3x. Then I'm going to multiply this times that, -4x. And then multiply this times that, right? That'll be 12. I'm going to combine these two because they both have x. They're called like terms. So then the new will be x squared, would be this piece right here. And then if you combine these -3 and -4, you get -7x. And then 12, you don't combine it, so it's going to be +12. So when there's nothing to combine, like the 12 is going to be plus 12 because you're adding everything inside. So that's why it's plus. So you would type here x squared and then minus 7x and then plus 12. So for a while, I want you to do the box, right? And then put the numbers on top and then multiply them inside and then add them together, but only add the things that you can combine. Okay. And the box, what I have here drawn in black, that's called the area model. How's everybody doing so far? Let's see how many of you guys are online.
Is this all we're doing today?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. That's it. Are you doing okay on it? Is it Claudia?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Okay, good. All right, let me know. And like I say, just keep in mind we're turning factored form into standard form. It's pretty easy. What's harder is backwards, right? Like riding a bicycle is pretty easy. Riding it backwards, it's a little hard. Colin, let me see. Hold on a second. I'll give you. How do we? Do we only have to do the 4? Yes, Devin. The 4 Khan Academies. Yep, that's it. And I think you don't have to put a screenshot anymore, guys. Because I will get your scores. Okay. So don't worry about a screenshot, Travis, or anybody. I do have your scores popping up right now. And Devin, the Desmos on the page. Yeah, never mind. You figure that out. Okay. No, I'll fix that right now. Tuesday, April 14. Now I'm going to make all the assignments. Just say they're due tomorrow, but I'm only doing this so that I can keep them organized. But if you do them later, it's still full points. It's just that when I made them all due on Sunday, it's hard for me to get the scores because then they're all the assignments are on top of each other. I can't figure out which was which. Okay.
By the way, even though they were due with it, like I completed a couple
Right on.
assignments that were marked missing. So
yeah, I'll take care of that. So
like
yeah. Today I'll sit on my computer later on and I'll go through all the assignments and I'll start with yours, Travis, and I'll give you guys full points on those. And also on your gradebook, there's two grades right now. By the end of the week, I'll combine them so you only have one grade. Just trying to help me out because since I have 2 classes of the same thing, it's easier for me just to make them become one class. It's kind of double work. Let me take a peek how you guys are doing. Like I said, drawing the little box is helpful, right? You can do it on paper. You can do it on your screen. It's probably easier to do it on paper, honestly. Don't forget to combine the 2 that you can combine. Teacher dashboard. Progress. Let's see, assignments, scores. All right, let's see. All right, good job. Amar's got 3 of them done. Probably working on another one. Claudia's got 3 down. Colin's got 3 down. Travis got them all 100% in those. Devin 2.
And I got 100% on 2 of them.
Yeah, Hayden, good job.
100% on 2 of them, and then a 0 on the third one.
Yeah, good job. And Savannah's here. Good job. Hey, Savannah, and also let me know. Good job. Thank you for being here. If you have any questions on any of the previous assignments, let me know. I'm happy to help. Sophia's already got her quiz. Oh, on the quiz, I forgot to give you guys this little tip. Can you guys just take a little peek at my screen? Look at my screen real quick, everybody, just for a second. What degree is the polynomial? So the degree is the highest power, and this would be 5. So this is not a quadratic. This one, I'm not able to circle. The highest power is x to the 5th. So this is the degree of 5. So you want to look at the highest power. Okay. The highest power. Let's see if it has another one of these. No, that was the only one. Let me just finish this quiz, make sure there's no other surprises there. Okay, that was the only one. That was the only one that looked like cool. All right, Steven's got 3 of them done. Good job. Okay. Good job. And getting 75s are full points, and then you get 100%. So that means 100, like even more points. So that'll add up. So this assignment will be worth 300 points. So some of you are getting already like close to 400, which is good. You're getting some extra points. And taking a peek at what we're going to be doing tomorrow, we're going to be doing special products. And basically, it's the same thing, but they're special. They have like, let's look at one of these. They have like the same numbers. I call them twins. So for this one, I know you guys are doing your work. I have x plus 5 times x minus 5. They're like fraternal twins. They're not exactly the same, but they're kind of like twins. And if you do the box, you're going to find out something. Like one cancels the other with fraternal twins. There's going to be x squared minus 25. So fraternal twins, as I call them, there is no middle term. And here's another set of fraternal twins. And this is going to be 9 minus...
Mr. Cornelius?
Yes, sir.
I think I'm done, but can you just make sure?
Yeah, let's see. Let's see how quickly this updates.
Because I did 4 practice assignments and then did 1 quiz.
Yeah, let's see. Wait, is this my last name or first name? Oh, this is my first name. Okay. Oh, here we go. Yeah, you got a good. You got 100% on your quiz, and you got full points on the other ones. Good job. You're done. So have a great day. Okay, go have a good lunch, and then
Thank you.
Tomorrow we'll do something really similar. So it's not going to be like new. It'll just be more advanced. Yeah.
All right. Thank you. Have
You're
a good
welcome.
day.
You too.
Do that.
And we'll do those.
Like the notes thing that we've been doing like throughout much of the school closures. Why can't we revert to that?
You know what I'll do for you, Travis? Tomorrow I'll do I'll do some notes. Today was more of a review, so I didn't really want notes.
Oh,
Um,
all right.
so definitely when we do new stuff, I do like the notes. I really like to see your guys' work too. So I would definitely do
Yeah.
some notes tomorrow. Okay. So thank you for your input. I really appreciate that. Let's see how you're doing, Travis. Let me see. Okay. I think you're the only one I fixed by last name. There we are. Yeah, man, good job. So are you doing the quiz right now?
No, I'm still doing the 0% assignment on Khan. I'm still
Oh,
trying to fix it.
oh, but you got
I'm not really good at it.
yeah, you already got
I
100.
already know what my.
Yeah, you already got 100% on all three of them. So all you gotta do is the quiz, and then
Wait, what? Really?
yeah.
I just could have sworn I had the 0% on the
Now watch.
third one.
Here, I'll show you. Take a look at my screen. 1 second. Look at this. This is awesome, man. Good. Yeah. 1 second. I was looking at it from my computer, but and then so you're the only one that I changed to last name. So you're right here. Look at that. 100%, 100%, 100%. Okay.
Wait, what the?
No.
Okay,
That's great.
something's wrong there.
No, that's great. So just do the quiz. Okay. Do the quiz and you're
Something is
good.
wrong there.
Mm-mm.
Because okay, I gotta see how I can take a screenshot.
Yeah, no, don't worry about the screenshot anymore because I have your scores.
No, I mean I want to showcase like what
Oh,
I'm seeing from my phone.
right. Well, you could do, yeah, don't worry about it. Let's see. All right. Anybody else need any help with anything? I'll be here. Okay, so just let me know. Don't forget on the quiz it'll say what is the degree of the whatever function or whatever it's called. It'll be the highest exponent. Okay. X squared, and then the plus 9x. Let's see if I can bring one of those again. When you get some of these, it's better to draw the box, and you could do it on paper or you could do it on. I like to make the little plus humongous. Separate this, and so this is going to be the blue. This will be the red. I'm going to multiply everything out. Negative 5a squared. Yeah, that looks messy. Oops. Huh. Okay. Negative 6. What the? Negative 6a. 6. I'm going to combine these two. That's going to equal negative 1a. Negative 5a squared minus 1a plus 6.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Quinones.
You're welcome. Talk to you guys tomorrow.
Yeah, I think we're gonna go ahead and leave the chat, even though I'm not fully complete. I think I
It's okay.
know what to do at this
Yeah,
point.
no worries, man. Okay, you got this. Have a good day. I'll go ahead and block the recording. I'll still stay here for anybody.